Write it down if you can't interrupt the stream of thinking at night. This is going to put your mind at ease so that you can relax. Women have half as many pain receptors on their bodies as males, but they have a much greater threshold for pain. Physically, repetition affects the brain as new associations are made between brain cells. Any relationship born between 0.16 and 28 years of age is more likely to be robust and long-lasting. Emotional pain is remembered better than actual pain, which has a greater influence on your behavior. Exercise slows the neurological deterioration in our brains, and increased physical exercise will delay our brain's aging by 10 years. When we sleep, our spinal fluid flows into the skull beyond the blood vessels of the brain. This reduces brain cell waste, a particular accumulation of amyloid and beta protein. The fastest supercomputer in the world takes 24 million watts of power to run, but our brains only need 20 watts and operate over 100,000 times faster. We scream out when we are really happy, and the hypothalamus in our brain can't distinguish the difference between good, happiness, and sorrow. When you feel like you're low on something like money, you're obsessive about it. Depression is often referred to as the product of thought. Imagination causes issues that don't exist. Convincing yourself that you slept well tricks your brain into believing you did. It is also found that staying optimistic about the future can powerfully shield people from physical and mental illness. We might persuade ourselves that a dull job is enjoyable if we aren't rewarded. Your choices are more logical because you think about another language. Human behavioral studies indicate that a person who loses a mobile phone experiences a fear comparable to a near-death experience. A hug longer than 20 seconds will produce hormones in your body that make you trust the individual who is hugging you. People are franker because they're emotionally drained. That's why people mention things in late-night talks. Chocolate discharges the chemical oxytocin, which is the same chemical your body produces when you are happy. Happiness, rage, sorrow, anxiety, disgust, and surprise are the 6 feelings that are uniformly conveyed. People seem to be happy when they're kept busy, as this keeps them from worrying about bad problems in life. The sight of water has a very calming and soothing effect on people, which makes them experience happiness and calming thoughts and even more imaginative.